afternoon, Irvington residents. Mayor Tony Vauss here. I hope that everyone is safe and secure in your homes today. If you don't have to be out on the streets, please stay indoors. We're out trying to plow all the streets in the township of Irvington. Our streets are looking very well. If you have any emergency situations, I'm going to introduce the business administrator. He's going to show you exactly how to contact us here at City Hall, as well as his personal number to get in touch with us.
Good afternoon, residents. If you've been watching the TV station, if you've been watching the mayor's page on Facebook, if you've been tuning into Irvington.net, you've been able to see that we have several updates, several videos, a lot of informative things that you can use to keep yourself safe and secure. I want to thank the residents for moving their vehicles. I received several phone calls about parking in our municipal lots. I also want to thank the residents for not throwing snow back into the street, because we've been able to plow several streets and they've remained clear. We have blacktop in several areas and we're going to continue. As you can tell, it's still snowing, it's still windy, there's ice all over, and we expect that there's going to be some thawing and refreezing on the roadways. So if you have any issues, if you have any emergencies, please call 911. If for whatever reason you have something that can't be addressed by 911 or you don't know exactly who to contact, please contact me at 862-400-1117. That's 862-400-1117. We'll continue to work throughout the evening into tomorrow morning to make sure that on Wednesday you'll have a very safe commute. Thank you.